Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using this platform. TradeWheel.com is a comprehensive online business-to-business, B2B, marketplace that connects buyers and sellers from around the globe. Offering a vast directory of products across a wide range of industries, TradeWheel.com aims to facilitate international trade and foster business growth. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface designed to simplify the process of sourcing products and connecting with potential trading partners. Businesses can create detailed company profiles showcasing their products and services, effectively acting as a virtual storefront. This allows potential buyers to easily browse available offerings and initiate contact with suppliers. TradeWheel.com offers various communication tools, enabling seamless interaction between parties. Furthermore, the platform provides features designed to enhance security and build trust among users, including verification processes for both buyers and sellers. TradeWheel.com strives to be a one-stop shop for all global trade needs. They offer a variety of services designed to streamline the import-export process, including assistance with logistics and documentation. The platform regularly publishes market insights and trend analyses, providing valuable information for businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve. By offering these comprehensive resources and tools, TradeWheel.com aims to empower businesses of all sizes to expand their reach and succeed in the global marketplace. Their focus on connecting businesses and fostering international trade makes them a significant player in the modern B2B landscape. Leveraging technology to simplify complex processes, TradeWheel.com positions itself as a valuable resource for businesses seeking growth opportunities in today's interconnected world. Through their extensive product directory, secure platform, and suite of supporting services, they offer a powerful platform for both establishing and expanding international trade operations.